Hello, Cuddly Howlers here. Today I will be showing you all of my dog food. I made it all from scratch except for the bowls. LOL, thank you Mom for letting me borrow. This will be a long video since I got a lot of stuff. First here I got this bowl I stole from my American Girl baby doll, but I plan to get real bowls when I find some. I've had it for years along with some other stuff I took from the doll. Okay, now we got Kibble. This is usually for my dog Essas. I have different kinds of food in. It's made from paper towel rolls, but you can use any cardboard you like. Smiley face. You can also color some of them to make it more realistic. No food yet, Lily. LOL? Here is my second kibble. This one I use on Nong Dog S's. As you can tell, it's more colorful. Ingredients are from nature. P. Here is my container with veggies and berries. I made these out of paper and markers. Just color on both sides. Doesn't it look yummy? The carrots and peas have a role-playing container. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. You can make whatever you want, but it is more realistic to look up what dogs usually eat. Alright, now for big container, this is mostly role-play type food for aesthetic. Here we have the spoon to scoop up kibble. I stole it from a childhood lunchbox. This is some dog treats. I made it all out of paper. Did my best to make them realistic. Here is the supplements. They are also stolen from my baby doll. You can't actually take them out, and they're just baby snacks. There are now gut, leg, and stomach supplements. Here is my goat milk, which is just white. Paper tape plus put in there. This is my raw meat container. You can just use any meat colored yarn or thread. Yes, it's believable enough. Okay, here is more stuff from my baby doll. Those are baby food. It doesn't open. It's just for role play and aesthetic reason. It's kinda useless, but it's helpful, making more fun. Oh. This is my fish container. Stole from doll again, and fish made from paper. Not gonna lie, it's cute AF. Last we have some eggs. They are made from paper too, and they took like 3 seconds to make. LOL. Struggling to get out? Well, now. It always comes out one at a time, like they were made in the bag. Here's what it looks like together. P. Yes, it took me hours to make all that food, but it's easy and not expensive to make it all. Lily loves this food, LOL. She gobbled it up since she hasn't been fed in like 2 weeks, meaning she eats human food most time. Anyway, bye.